Welcome to this 5-minute tutorial on how to disable, enable, and customize the newsletter pop-up in WordPress. In this session, you will learn how to manage the newsletter pop-up on your WordPress site using a series of clearly defined steps. Let us begin by navigating to WordPress. First, open your preferred browser and visit the WordPress website where you can access your account, ensuring that you are ready to manage your site's settings. Once the WordPress homepage appears, locate the login option situated at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button so that you can sign into your account securely. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the administrative features available for customization. After clicking the login button, you will see an option to continue with Google. When you select this method, a list of Google accounts associated with your browser will be presented. Choose the account you wish to use for logging in to ensure that all your website details and settings are correctly imported. This headway allows you to utilize your pre-existing Google credentials for a faster and more streamlined entry into your WordPress dashboard. Upon successful login, move forward by accessing the settings area of your website. Although you might see several menu options, locate the one specifically labeled settings and click on it to continue. This step will direct you to a dedicated page where you can make various adjustments related to your website's functionality and appearance. Within the settings section, look for the option that mentions newsletter. Clicking on newsletter will take you to the relevant configuration panel where you can control the behavior of the newsletter pop-up on your website. Here, you gain access to all newsletter related settings and the ability to manage the display of the subscription interface that appears on your homepage. On the newsletter settings page, you will notice an option that reads subscription overlay on homepage. This setting acts as a switch that allows you to toggle the newsletter pop-up on and off. Enabling the subscription overlay will display the pop-up to your visitors, while turning it off will disable the pop-up so that it no longer appears. This flexibility is designed to provide you with control over your site's visitor engagement strategies. After making your decision on whether to show or hide the newsletter pop-up, proceed to click on the preview and edit link. Selecting this option will allow you to view how your changes affect the appearance of the pop-up in real time. It also gives you the opportunity to further customize the design and content of the pop-up to better suit your website's theme and your marketing needs. Once you have reviewed your customization in the preview mode and confirmed that the pop-up meets your requirements, complete the process by clicking on Save Settings. This final step ensures that all your modifications are recorded and implemented on your website immediately. By saving your changes, you guarantee that your website visitors experience the updated subscription overlay exactly as you have configured it. This tutorial has guided you through accessing WordPress, logging into your account using Google authentication, navigating to the settings area, managing the newsletter section, toggling the subscription overlay on or off, previewing, editing, and finally saving your settings. Following these instructions will help you effectively manage your newsletter pop-up and improve user interaction on your WordPress site. Enjoy customizing your site and the benefits of an optimized subscription experience.